Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sunil Kumar Jadhav. Here we are going to learn about coordinate geometry, which is the chapter in standard 10. First of all, we'll begin with the formula. First, it is distance formula. Suppose there are 2 points in the coordinate geometry. Say for example, P, which has 2 coordinates x1 and y1, and another point is Q, which has 2 coordinates, that is value of x is x2 and value of y is y2. The distance between this 2 point PQ is equal to under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So by this formula you should find out the distance between point P and Q. To make it more simple, even we should write it, if we do squaring at this side, that is instead of PQ we'll write it PQ square, then the square root will be removed and we should write it x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, and whatever the value we are going to get it ultimately, we will take the square root of that, then we are going to get the value of PQ. So this is the formula which we call as a distance formula, the distance between 2 points P and Q. Say for example, another formula, or we can say, suppose we need to find out the distance for any one point, let me say P xy from origin. We know the coordinate of origin are 0 0. So as per this formula, let us see that I can say OP. What are the coordinates of O? That is 0 0. So as per that formula we should write it OP is equal to under root of x1. What is x1? Let me consider this as x1 and this y1. This one I will take it x2 and this I take to y2. Then let us see as for the formula x2. x2 is what? It is 0 minus, we should say, that is x1. x1 is x. So I should write it x whole square plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? That is 0 minus, what is y1? That is y1. It is y whole square. So OP is equal to what? Then you know minus x whole square. Square of the minus is also equal to plus. So that would be x square plus 0 minus y square, that is minus y whole square will be equal to y square. So another formula that the distance of any point from the origin OP is equal to under root of x square plus y square. Let us see one sum or example related to this distance formula. Find the distance between 2 points 2 3, which has the coordinates 2 3 and 4 1. Let me consider this point as P and this point I'll consider as Q, as we are going to use this particular formula. Now as I consider this point as a P and its coordinate, I will compare it with x1 and y1, and for point Q I'll consider it x2 and y2. So by this way we should say that x1 is equal to, you can compare that x1 is equal to 2 and y1 is equal to 3. Similar way x2 is equal to 4 and y2 is equal to 1. Now we need to find out the distance between this 2 point P 2 3 and Q 4 1. We'll put the distance formula, that PQ, as I told you, to make it more simple we'll do the squaring of this. So I should write it PQ square is equal to, as per the formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now I'll keep the values. What is x2? Here you should see the value of x2 is equal to 4. So it is 4 minus x1. What is x1? That is 2. 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2. What is value of y2? That is 1 minus y1. We should see that y1 is equal to 3. So x2 we kept here, that is x2 is equal to 4 minus x1, x1 is equal to 2, y2 1, y1 3 whole square, that is equal to PQ square. Now I'll write it that PQ square is equal to, now you can see 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, so it is 2 square plus 1 minus 3. means here we'll do the subtraction. 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2 whole square. Squaring of anything is always plus. So I will write it pq square is equal to 2 square is equal to 4, and here also we'll see minus 2 whole square is also equal to 4. So it is 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Pq square is equal to 8. Now we need to take the under root of 8. So I will write it pq is equal to under root of 8. We will do the factors of 8. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. We need to take the under root. So 2 times 2, so I will take it 2 as a common. So I will write it pq is equal to 2, and this under root 2 will not have its perfect square. So we should write it under root of 2. So pq is equal to 2 under root 2. This is how we should use the distance formula.